Hey you guys, it's Molly. This is the 3D ring pour that I'll be doing tonight. Added a little bit different technique in there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more videos. All right, I'll see you in a second. Bye. Hey you guys, it's Molly. I have a cup that I've done a paint split layer on. You guys can check out my other videos, or you can check out the end of this video, and I will have it in there. I'm gonna do a ring pour, and then I'm gonna draw a design with a toothpick in it and see how that goes. So I've got crimson, dioxazine violet, white, a little bit of gold, we'll see if it comes out, and then Payne's gray. So I wanted this to be kind of a reddish purple dominant pour. Ooh, there's those Payne's gray and white. I'm gonna take my time in the center. And if you want those chunky rings, then go faster at the beginning and then slower towards the end so that you can get a little bit of definition. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start maybe right here. I'm gonna draw outward. I don't want to mess up the center. And your lines will get a little bit kind of crazy because I'm going to spin this in a circle, so they'll kind of move as well. I might try this on my spinner at the end of the week to see if I can keep the design the way that it is, but just spread it out. But I thought I'd give this a try. Play around. I have a bunch of videos coming out, you guys. I'm excited. I have a couple of collaborations. I have a couple of demos. I have a resin demo that I'm gonna do. I have a ton of stuff, so be sure that you have that bell on so you can see it all. Ooh, that's really cool. Let me take you in for the design. So I know I'm gonna have comments, I wish you could have saved it just like this, and that's me too for now, but I'm gonna spread it out, and the next one I'll try on the spinner. So just know, if you're upset that I lose this design now, I'll have another one, okay? I'm just gonna spin this around and see how it goes. It looks like a spider web. So I'm on an elongated canvas, so I've immediately got to tilt to my sides. And once you get going to a corner, you just want to go ahead and go for that corner, I found. I know you guys can't see it that well. I'll get you back. So I've got some really cool designs that came from just flipping the paint through there. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do a whole nother set of these. This is really cool. I don't even know what to call that in there, but it's super cool. Okay, let me stop talking and get to painting, huh? Go down to that side next. Get the weight of my paint going again. I know you guys can't see the whole thing, just give me a second. Now I'm going to stretch the whole thing out to come down here. And it'll happen, you just gotta be patient. Hope you guys can see it. going, it's going. Almost got that side. There it is. Whew, that one took a little while, guys. Super cool. Oh, I'm gonna take you down. Wow, this is so neat. All right, let me wipe my hands and then I'll take you down. Okay, you guys, my camera turned off. I'm gonna try to, so that is the total design. And those little things, here, let me get out of the light. Those little pieces came from like putting the toothpick in there. But look at all those lines. Look at how 3D it looks. Wow, super cool. I really like that in the center there. So you guys let me know what you think. These here on the side, I kind of wish they're really cool by themselves. I think I'll try to do a design with them, but I wish they hadn't been there in that. But I love these lines. This is like another one of those kind of Alice in Wonderland, like wormhole things. But super cool. All right, if you guys want to check out the end of the video, you can see how I layered my paints. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I will see you sometime this week. All right, thanks guys. Happy painting. Bye. All right, you guys, if you stuck around to the end, you wanted to see how I layer my paints into the cup, so I'll show you. So I'm just pouring a layer of white. And listen, all my paints are pretty thick for these ring pours, so see how that's making a big mound on the top of the cup? It's taken a while for it to go back in there. That's how I hold that design. So I'm gonna do a layer of Payne's Gray. Then I'm gonna do a layer of the dioxazine violet. Spin my cup there. Layer of gold. Pretty big layer of gold because I'm only gonna do 2. Then I'm gonna come back in with some white, some red. This is crimson. I might just do a funky design on that side. Then some more white. That will turn kind of a pinky color, but it won't blend too much, I'm hoping. Come back in now with my cross layers of Payne's Gray and the dioxazine violet. Get a little bit of that in the middle. Then maybe I'll go with the red again. This will be in the center. The gold will be in the center. There we go. Come back over with another layer. So you guys play around with this. Like, that's all I do. I just go back and forth until I figure out what design I like and where I think the colors will come out. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Play around with it. Make it your own. So hopefully that blue will mix together with the red. Well, you guys have already seen the finished product, so. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. Happy painting. Bye.